Arbor, where are we hiking?
Bull Mountain.
Where?
The Bull Mountain.
Okay. Whoa. How does it feel? Whoa. Pretty easy? Oh, okay. That's nice. Nice job. Careful, that rock might be slippery. I mean, the trail's right there, but you can go up the rock, I guess. Nice job, Arbor. Okay, let's keep moving. Wow. I'm just gonna go this way. Keep moving. Good work. You made mincemeat out of that rock.
Dad,
Yes.
you have to jump over this rock like that. And then move.
Like that?
Good.
Thanks.
And then do that on that one.
Thanks for getting that stick out of the way, too.
And do that on that wall. On that wall. Good.
Okay,
And
thanks.
do that on that.
Okay, it's gonna take a, well, don't fall down there, because look down there, please. See down there? That's
Yeah.
pretty far down. What do you think about that?
Good.
You think, oh, good.
And
Okay.
do that.
Let's
on
just
that.
walk. Now, this is what we call a switchback.
Oh,
So you don't keep going forward, you go that way.
that way?
Yeah, this is like one of 14. I'm coming.
How do you have to do this?
Why do I have to do that? Why? What does that mean?
That means you're happy.
That means you're happy? That's the happy run?
So you're happy to walk.